Hi, this is Chris Lavin, and I'm here with Jeffrey Stanish. We're here at Xtreme Polishing Systems. We're at our headquarters here, located in Pompano Beach. We have one of our polished concrete classes that are going on right now next door, so if you hear a little bit of grinders going or some noises, that's from next door. Anyways, Jeff, thanks for coming.
A privilege.
Yeah, it's been a while since we've seen you here. But you came today with something you've been working on for a very long time, and I said, you know, we have to get this on, we got to get this on camera. It's got to go out to everybody out there in YouTube land. Thanks for being fellow subscribers. Reach out and like us on our Facebook page at xtremepolishingsystems.com. Like our website, follow our website, and also follow Simix, S-I-M-I-X.
U.S.A.com.
Yeah, so anyways, Jeff has been working on a product. We've been using your products now for probably 5 years?
Yes.
5 or 6?
6 years.
6 years.
6 years. And back in May of 14, we made a tweak to the product, and we put it out in different test sites. We now have gone 4 full years, and we are now going to go only with that product. We're transitioning, and this is technically speaking, we are truly a ceramic coating.
Yeah, so this is we're launching this right here. You're seeing it firsthand. You'll be the very first people to try this product. Yet you got enough data on it,
oh my gosh,
right? That tells amazing results.
We found that in a grocery store environment up in Boston, where they have salt and sand issues to handle the ice and snow in the wintertime, where they used to strip 4 times a year. They used to put down 48 coats of Diversi's High Noon, which is acrylic urethane, the hardest coating they claim they have. They put down 48 coats a year, and in the middle of the winter, the floors would be bare, okay? We have now gone 13 full months with them. Initially, they put down 28 coats. We're now projecting they only need to do about 20 coats a year. But the key is they never have to strip again. It is so much harder, and it is so much shinier. You've got to remember one thing. This coating is down at the nano level. Each coat's only 300 nanometers. Acrylic floor finish goes down at 7.5 microns. That's 7,500 nanometers. So it's really about a 20, 22 to 1, 23 to 1 ratio in thickness. So if you go from this down to this, and this can outwear that. 4 coats of this can outwear 8 to 10 coats of that. So that's the phenomenal thing that we're actually bringing to the table.
So let's talk about this, okay? The polished concrete market's been around now for probably 20 years plus.
It is.
It's really strong. It's growing every year. There's a lot more people that have the awareness to polished concrete. People like the epoxy coatings as well. You come out, it's a ceramic coating, okay? So let's talk about what is ceramic, Jeff? What is ceramic?
Everybody knows ceramic is silica that's been baked, and it turns nice and glossy, right? So you've seen it on pottery, you see it on hard tile, right? Yep. Ceramic, it's got a nice gloss finish to it. All right, what we have is a metal oxide in a liquid glass that chemically cures, this is water-based now, that chemically cures to a ceramic coating without the need of heat. And it cures out so thin, but it's so strong.
Right, that's the nice part
That's
about it.
everything. And the other thing, quickly at the grocery store, they went 1 full year in that store without a single slip and fall.
Okay, so it's actually actually a traction additive.
It actually, when it's wet, it bites.
Nice.
Very nice.
So anybody out there that is into the slip fall, is into the slip resistant meter business, you know what I'm saying? Anybody that has a building, a retail space, a big box chain, that is concerned with slip fall accidents, slip fall lawsuits, this product is something you need to put down on your floor.
Absolutely, and it comes out, the price of the product itself on average is about 30% less than acrylic floor finish.
Right.
It is so easy to install. If you just go look at the videos, one person can spray it, another person flat mops it back and forth. At the grocery store up there in Boston, we actually, 4-man crew, 3 guys mopping, 1 guy spraying, running up and down the aisles, 40,000 square feet in 1 hour.
To apply the product.
To apply the product.
Yeah.
Now, what you do is you only put down 2 coats. You stop, and then you let it dry, and then you burnish it with an 800 grit diamond, which creates an incredible shine.
Nice.
You do not ever use a 15, an 18, a 3000, a buff pad again.
Just 800 grit. 1
diamond.
Okay.
We went through, we used to do 200 to 400 to 800 to 1500 to 3000
Sure.
at 11,000. It was crazy. But what happened is all of a sudden, I remember the infamous day at Rhino Tools in Chicago, and they took a 110-pound machine with 800 pucks on it, and they were grinding our coating, and the guy looks at it, drops his machine, walks away, didn't come back for 20 minutes. The Donaldson brothers come out, they look at the coating, they look at each other, and they go, 800 grit. The shine was higher than all 7 other products they had on the floor.
Anyways, you were back, we were talking about the Donaldsons, okay? So go ahead, the Donaldsons.
Yeah, so the Donaldson brothers, who now are over there at John Don, they looked at that with Byron Brewington, and they stared at it, and I was there with my guy, Sam Caniglia, and we're looking at that, and I go, and they're looking like, oh, that's interesting. I said, well, I don't know much about polished concrete. I know a lot about our coating. I think it's a heck of an beauty, because you ground that over there to 3,000, all of this was ground to 3,000, yeah. I said, we're shinier than all of them. Yeah, you are. You are. I said, don't you think it's great? Well, we got to think about it.
Yeah.
But the point is that it's easy to maintain. If you ever have, if you ever have anything that got damaged on it, you can spot repair it. You don't have to go from cut line to cut line. You don't have to go, and just go through all kinds of emaciations. Once that floor is polished, and once you have, it can be used as a densifier and the top coat all in one. Okay, we've done that testing. I am really excited about this ceramic. It's because it just opens up great opportunities.
It's literally going to take over the polished concrete world.
If it has to.
It's going to.
Okay, that's
it's going to. So if you are in the polished concrete industry, if you're in the flooring industry, if you're looking for that one item that's going to give you the edge over your competitors, it's really the Cemix. It's a ceramic floor coating that Jeffrey has come out with, that we're very proud to have as a product in our arsenal.
Yes, sir.
Of products, as well as our machinery, equipment. You know what I'm saying? The polished concrete, your finish is dependent upon your diamonds, your machinery and your equipment, and the liquids that you use. And we're very happy to have Jeffrey, your Jeffrey juice, as they call it.
The Jeffrey juice.
The Jeffrey juice. The ceramic coating. So look at Jeff's website down below here at Cemix USA.com, or go to XtremePolishingSystems.com. Click on down below, shop. Your product always has a 100% money back guarantee.
Absolutely.
If you get the product out there, you're not satisfied with it for any reason, we take the product back, give you your money back. I mean, this product is fabulous. I can only say the reason why Jeff is here is because it's great product. Yes. So anyways.
Yeah, absolutely.
What else do you have to say to the world out there, Jeff?
A delight to be here. Please give us an opportunity. It's a 20-year journey for me to make this finally become a reality, and it's exciting to finally see it happen.
Yeah, and we're going to wish Jeff a happy birthday, because he's turning 75 here in a week and a half.
In a week and a half.
Yeah, so it's always good to see you, Jeff.
It's good to be seen.
All right.
Thank you.